Hello friends, hi. Welcome to my channel The Voice of Nurse. Today we will discuss regarding nutrition frequently asked questions from the latest edition 2022 Nurses Competitive Exam Updated Version 2022. This is part 5 friends. Actually in previous video I already explained question number 1 to 75 questions. This is frequently asked questions. Already we finished 75 questions. Continuation topic from the previous videos from the 75 to 100 we will continue in this video. Before move on topic, a small request friends, those who are watching ఎవరైతే నా ఛానల్ ఫస్ట్ టైం చూస్తున్నారో ప్లీజ్ ఫ్రెండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ మై ఛానల్, క్లిక్ ఆన్ ది బెల్ ఐకాన్ ఫర్ ఫర్దర్ నోటిఫికేషన్స్. ఛానల్లో నేను మీకు ఏం ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తాను అంటే నర్సెస్కి సంబంధించిన ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అండ్ ఫ్రీక్వెంట్ ఆస్క్డ్ క్వశ్చన్స్, ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్ అండ్ ఎన్హెచ్ఎం, ఈఎస్ఐసి అండ్ స్టేట్ గవర్నమెంట్ ఎస్పెషల్లీ ఇన్ తెలంగాణ గవర్నమెంట్ సంబంధించి ఆల్ థింగ్స్ అండ్ ఎమర్జెన్సీ మెడిసిన్స్, ఫస్ట్ ఎయిడ్ అండ్ అనటమీ అండ్ ఫిజియాలజీ ఆల్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ నేను కవర్ చేస్తాను. ప్లీజ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ సపోర్ట్ మీ, ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ మై ఛానల్. సబ్జెక్ట్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోదాం. న్యూట్రిషన్ ఫ్రీక్వెంట్లీ ఆస్క్డ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ది లేటెస్ట్ ఎడిషన్ నర్సెస్ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్ బుక్ 2022 version. Question number 76. Midday meal program was started in which year? Options. We will see the options here. Option A 1964, option B 1965 and option C 1961 and option D 1940. Here option C is the correct answer. 1961 midday meal program was started. What is midday meal program? Midday meal scheme or midday meal program is a school meal program in India designed to better the nutritional standing of school age children in nationwide. Midday meal program is supplies free lunch at the schools. Midday meal program was started in 1961. So here option C is the correct answer. Move on to question number 77. Recommended daily intake of 7 to 12 months infant. Daily intake of 7 to 12 months infant. Options. Option A 118 kilocalories for kg body weight. Option B 108 kilocalories for kg body weight. And option C 128 kilocalories for kg body weight. And option D 138 kilocalories for kg body weight. Actually option B is the correct answer. Here 108 kilocalories for kg body weight. The Institute of Medicine suggests 7 months old infants need at least 95 grams of carbohydrates, 30 grams of total fat, includes 500 milligrams of omega-3 fatty acids and also 11 grams of dietary protein each day per day. These all things, calories and carbohydrates, fat, these all things per day. Here option B is the correct answer. 108 kilocalories kg body weight. Next move on to question number 78. The milk-borne disease through animal. Options. Option A brucellosis, option B AIDS, option C HIV and option D malaria. Here option A is the correct answer. Brucellosis. What is brucellosis? Brucellosis also called as Banks disease, caused by the indigestion of unsteriled milk or meat from infected animals and also close contact with the secretions. Okay friends, only indigestion. If we are contacting with infected animals and infected animal secretions also, we will get the milk-borne disease through the animals. Milk-borne disease through the animals, option A is the correct answer. Brucellosis is Bank disease, option A is the correct answer. Question number 79. Iodine is required for synthesis of hormone. Options. Option A protein, option B fat and option C carbohydrates and option D thyroxine. Here iodine is required for thyroid gland hormones synthesis. Okay friends, iodine is required for thyroid gland hormone synthesis. Here thyroid gland means we are having thyroid hormones are thyroxine and T3. Thyroxine also called as T4 and The thyroid gland secretes T3 and T4 hormones. Here, iodine is required for synthesis of hormone is thyroxine. Option D is the correct answer. We will see the question number 80. Exercise should not be done. Options: Option A after heavy meal, Option B night time, Option C afternoon, Option D B and C both. Here option A is the correct answer, after heavy meal. It may cause gastrointestinal issues and general guidelines suggest exercising 1 to 2 hours after meals, not heavy meals. After the meals for the 30 to 60 minutes approximately workout to prevent the stomach problems, but after heavy meals should not be done exercises. Option A is the correct answer. After heavy meals we have to avoid the exercises. Option A. Move on to question number 81. Pasteurization of milk discovered by. Options: Option A Robert Rich, Option B Louis Pasteur, and Option C Joseph Lister, and Option D Ronald Ross. Here option B is the correct answer, Louis Pasteur. Louis Pasteur in the year of 1954 is the best known for the inventing the process of pasteurization. Pasteurization kills microbes and prevent spoilage in beer and milk other goods. So pasteurization of milk discovered by the Louis Pasteur. Here option B is the correct answer. On to question number 82. Which of the basic 4 groups of essential food constituents? Options: Option A carbohydrates, fats, proteins and vitamins. Option B water, bread and meat. Option C milk products, and option D all of the above. Here 4 groups of essential food is carbohydrates, fats, proteins and vitamins. Option A is the correct answer. The vital nutrients that can be obtained from food are option A carbohydrates, fat, proteins, vitamins and also minerals. So 4 groups of essential food, here option A is the correct answer. Next question 83. Question number 83. Name the dietary foods that relieves the constipation. Options: Option A high fiber diet, Option B meat, and Option C milk, and Option D fat. Constipation occurs eating lot of high fat diet and meats, dietary products, eggs, sweets, processed fruits may the cause of constipation. Here name of the dietary foods to relieve the constipation. Here asked decreasing the constipation through the which food. Option A is the correct answer, high fiber diet. High fiber diet are beans, broccoli, avocados, apple, whole grains and dry foods, and also green leafy vegetables. We can eat through the high fiber diet, we can decrease the constipation. Option A is the correct answer. To question number 84. Which vitamin is responsible for blood clotting? Options: Option A vitamin K, Option B vitamin E, and Option C vitamin C, and Option D vitamin D. Here option A is the correct answer, vitamin K. Vitamin K helps to make various proteins that are needed for blood clotting and the building of bones. Prothrombin. Okay friends, prothrombin is a vitamin K dependent protein directly involved with the blood clotting. Here responsible for blood clotting is vitamin K. Option A is the correct answer. Next move on to question number 85. The safe milk can be prepared under the process of. We will see the options. Option A pasteurization, Option B sterilization test, Option C phosphate test, and Option D all of the above. Here option A is the correct answer, pasteurization. Pasteurization. What is meaning of pasteurization? Pasteurization is a process by which milk is heated to a specific temperature for a set of period. It is a temperature of approximately 71.5 degrees Celsius. The period it will be safe milk have the word is called as pasteurization. Okay friends, option A is the correct answer, pasteurization. Next move on to question number 86. Angular stomatitis is due to. We will see the options here. Option A deficiency of vitamin B6, option B, deficiency of niacin, option C, deficiency of riboflavin, and option D, none of the above. Here option C is the correct answer, deficiency of riboflavin. Angular stomatitis is a deficiency of riboflavin and other B group vitamins and iron. Okay friends, what is the symptoms? Symptoms actually in angular stomatitis we can see the red patches in the corners, especially and outside of the lips, around the lips corners also. Angular stomatitis due to the deficiency of riboflavin. Option C is the correct answer. Move on to question number 87. Vitamin K is essential for. Vitamin K is essential for what? Options. Option A, reproduction. Option B, growth. And option C, decrease prothrombin levels. And option D, blood coagulation. Here blood coagulation is the correct answer. Option D. Vitamin K is a group of vitamins that the body needs for blood clotting and helping the wound healing. So here vitamin K is essential for the blood coagulation. Next move on to question number 88. Better source of vitamin K are. We will see the options. Option A, green leafy vegetables. Option B, meat. And option C, milk. And option D, fish. Vitamin K is best source of green leafy vegetable. Here option A is the correct answer. The green leafy vegetables are collard greens, broccoli, spinach, cabbage, and also fruits like blueberries and grapes and apples. So vitamin K is better source of green leafy vegetables. Option A is the correct answer. Next move on to question number 89. Another name of vitamin A is options. Option A, provitamin. Option B, provitamin A. And option C, keratin. And option D, retinol. Here option D is the correct answer. Vitamin A is also known as retinol because it is produces the pigments in the retina of the eye. That's why vitamin A is called as retinol. And also vitamin A is essential for the vision. Vitamin A is essential for vision also. On to question number 90. BMR means. Options. Option A, body mass range. Option B, basal metabolic range. And option C, basal metabolic rate. And option D, basal mass rate. Here BMR means option B is the correct answer, basal metabolic range. Basal metabolic range is the number of calories you burn as your body performs basic life sustaining the function. So here option B is the correct answer, basal metabolic range. On to question number 91. Nutritional marasmus is caused by the deficiency of. We will see the options here. Option A, carbohydrates. Option B, proteins. Option C, calories. And option D, B and C. Nutritional marasmus is the deficiency of proteins and also calories. Here option D is the correct answer, B and C. The marasmus is a severe form of malnutrition, specifically protein energy undernutrition that result when a person does not consume enough proteins and calories in the diet. Okay friends, option D is the correct answer. Proteins and calories is the deficiency of nutritional marasmus. Next move on to question number 92. Kwashiorkar is caused due to. Options. Option A, carbohydrate deficiency. Option B, protein deficiency. Option C, fat deficiency. And option D, none of the above. Here Kwashiorkar is also called as protein deficiency disorder. So here option B is the correct answer. Kwashiorkar also called as protein malnutrition produced by a severe inadequate amount of protein in the diet. Due to the inadequate intake of proteins in the diet is the protein deficiency disorder, Kwashiorkar. Option B is the correct answer. Next we will see the question number 93. Important symptom of nutritional marasmus. Option A, growth retardation. Option B, diarrhea. And option C, loss of appetite. And option D, edema. Here option A, growth retardation is the correct answer. Nutritional marasmus is caused to the stunted growth in the children's. Okay friends, that growth retardation is the one of the symptom in nutritional marasmus, especially in children's. The marasmic child suffers growth retardation and loss of muscle tone. Marasmus is a life-threatening problem in children, but it is identified means in time we can treat. Here option A is the correct answer. Growth retardation is one of the symptom of nutritional marasmus. To question number 94. Balwadi nutrition program was started which year? Options: option A 1970, option B 1980, option C 1990 and option D 2000. Balwadi nutritional program started in the year 1970 under the Department of Social Welfare through voluntary organization. It is a nutrition program for the preschool children to provide a nutritional diet to the preschool children. Balwadi nutrition program is option A is the correct answer. 1970 they are started. On to question number 95. Name of the vitamin useful for increased absorption of the iron. We will see the options here. Option A vitamin K, option B vitamin E and option C vitamin C and option D vitamin D. Here, vitamin C is the only dietary constituent other than animal tissues that has been shown to promote iron absorption. Here, iron absorption occurs predominantly in the duodenum and upper jejunum. The absorption of the iron occurs in the duodenum and upper jejunum, upper part of the jejunum. Here, absorption of iron is option V, vitamin C is the correct answer. Here option C is the correct answer. Move on to question number 96. Rich source of pyridoxine. We will see the options. Option A rice polishing, option B cereals and option C legumes and option D tubers. Here option A is the correct answer, rice polishing. Pyridoxine is also called as vitamin B6. Okay friends, option A is the correct answer, rice polishing. Which brown rice is polished? Rice losses mainly in vitamins and minerals. But here rice source of the richest source of pyridoxine means rice polishing is the correct answer, option A. And also the sources of pyridoxine: vitamin B6, beef liver, salmon, green leafy vegetables like some of the fruits and banana, papaya and orange. These are all the sources of vitamin B6 or pyridoxine. But here rich source of pyridoxine is option A is the correct answer. Move on to question number 97. The fresh fruits consist of the following vitamins. Options: option A thiamine, option B niacin and option C ascorbic acid and option D none of the above. Here ascorbic acid is also called as vitamin C. The good source of vitamin C are citrus fruits such as oranges and orange juices, strawberries, kiwi fruit and lemon, and grapey fruits, vegetables like tomatoes and broccoli. Here fresh fruits consist of following vitamin C. Option C is the correct answer, ascorbic acid. To question number 98. Normal human blood contains about how much glucose for 100 ml? Here we will see the options first. Option A 100 to 110 mg, option B 100 to 120 mg and option C 80 to 100 mg and option D 70 to 90 mg. Here option C is the correct answer, 80 to 100 mg. Glucose is the normal in human blood for 100 ml. Expected value for the normal fasting blood glucose levels between the 70 to 100 mg for DL. Here option C is the correct answer, 80 to 100 mg. On to question number 99. Another name of lactose. Options: option A milk sugar, option B cane sugar, option C dextrose and option D maltose. Here another name of the lactose is milk sugar. Lactose is a sugar found in the milk and milk products only. So here option A is the correct answer. Milk sugar is another name of lactose. Option A. On to question number 100. Vitamin B12 deficiency disorder is known as options. Option A megaloblastic anemia, option B nutritional anemia, and option C A and B, and option D none of the above. Here option A is the correct answer. Vitamin B12 is also called as cyanocobalamin. The vitamin B12 deficiency is megaloblastic anemia. Megaloblastic anemia is a type of vitamin deficiency anemia that happens when you don't get enough vitamin B12 or folate. The deficiency will occur. Megaloblastic anemia is a blood disorder that happens when your bone marrow produces stem cells that make abnormally large blood cells in the body. So, here vitamin B12 deficiency disorder is megaloblastic anemia. Option A is the correct answer. Now we finished 100 questions in this subject of nutrition. This book Nurses Competitive Exams number 1 choice for Nurses Competitive Exam COVID-19 updated version 2022 edition. So we will continue next another topic in another video. Keep watching friends. Stay tuned. Please subscribe my channel. Click on the bell icon for further notifications. Please friends support me. Thank you. Thank you for watching my videos.